Yes, good morning children. So today we will discuss another question of national income of income method. So here we have got COE equal to 13,300, wages in kind 200. Wages in kind means it will be given back. Okay, it's not cash. Indirect taxes 3,800, gross domestic fixed capital formation 6200. It is about the fixed capital like building, land, machine, etc. Operating surplus 5,000, mixed income 16,100, NFIA 300, net export minus 100. And what we have to find is NNPFC. Now see, here we have got COE. First we have to find NDPFC. For NDPFC, COE is given. The formula is mixed income. If once compensation of employee is given, nothing we have to see out of it. Wages in kind can clearly be ignored because it is a part of compensation of employee. So we will take 13,300. Operating surplus, it is given directly. If there would have been given profit, rent, royalty, we have to ignore because operating surplus directly sum total it is given 5,000. Mixed income, again it is directly given. So this question is very simple. We have to add 5,000, 16,100 and 13,300. What will we get out of it? So 13,300, 18,300, 18,400, 28,400, 34,400. This is our NDPFC. Now to make it NNPFC, we have to add NFIA. NFIA it is given 300. So this 300 we will add, we will get 34,700. What is this? 34,700 is our NNPFC or national income for this question. Is that clear? Now see the next question. In next question, we have to find again NNPFC. It means national income. Clearly it is seen that it is a question of income method. Here also compensation of employee it is given 800. Wages and salary other than CO it is given 750. So we will ignore this 750 because compensation of employee is given. So first compensation of employee we will take, then operating surplus we will take, then mixed income we will take. We will get NDPFC plus NFIA we will take to get NNPFC. Now CO it is given 800. Operating surplus it is not given, so we will take profit 300. Interest 100. Rent 200. Only these are given for operating surplus. Rent, profit, interest. No royalty, no other thing is given. Plus mixed income. So here mixed income they have given, I think mixed income is not given here. So we will ignore mixed income, we will take 0. NFIA it is given here minus 20. So 800, 1100, 1200, 1400 minus 20 it will be 1380. So our NNPFC will be 1380. Is that clear? Now here mixed income was not given, so we ignored, and we will not take net export. It is not a part of income method. We will not take depreciation. It is not a part of income method. And in the previous question also here it is given gross domestic fixed capital formation. It will be ignored because it is a part of expenditure. We are spending the money in creating the fixed capital. So that we will not take. Net export again it has to be ignored because it does not come in these parameters. Understood these two questions? So now we have done 4 or 5 questions of income method. Kindly practice some questions and send me that questions in the WhatsApp group so that I can understand that you are understanding. Thank you.